Hello everybody, it's Jason with Investing Logically. In this video we talk about BIONANO Genomics. They have some news that questions their stock price performance over the past year. I'll be also giving us an update on my 10k portfolio challenge. Feel free to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. Also feel free to like this video so my videos go out to a large audience so more people can learn about investing in finance. Oh damn, I'm not going to sell my stocks because I'm in it for the long term. I currently hold 23 shares at a price of $10.40. I'm currently down 6.46%, but I'm not too worried. I want to hold this for at least 5 years. They're questioning the performance of BIONANO Genomics over the past year. Few could complain about the impressive 997% rise throughout the period, questioning how BIONANO Genomics ran up so high. So they're saying, how did this company run up so high when it has no revenue? So they're saying it's quite confusing why it gained 997%. They say it's based on speculation rather than their fundamentals. So yeah, they got some risk, so it has less than 1 year of cash runway, highly volatile share price. Shareholders have been substantially diluted in the past year. If you guys can't hold the stock for at least 5 years, then consider not investing in this. This company is just getting started. Their Sapphire product is the only product that can discover complex genetic variations. There is no other product like that. There is no company that produces the same product of this company that does the same purpose, so meaning they have no competitors, which is really good for this company. So I do believe in this company long term. And now we're going to look at some analyst price targets. They have a price target of $10.94. It is a high of $15 and a low of 0.75 cents. So these analysts are saying they can go back to their October levels. If you believe in the company, you believe in their fundamentals, and you believe in their future, then invest in the company no matter what these analysts say. They're currently down 2.89% on a day. On the week, they're down nearly 24%. But on the year, they're still up nearly 700%. I do think the reason for this huge drop is because the whole market is dropping right now. How would I invest in this company? I would only invest if this hits a certain strike price. I'll split my money into fours. Drops to $9.50, I'll strike on this. Then if it drops to $9.20, I'll strike again. Then if it drops to $9, I'll strike again. And if it drops to $8.70, that'll be my last strike price. If this doesn't hit those prices, I'm not going to add more shares. That was my whole update on BIONANO Genomics. Basically, if you believe in the company, you believe in their fundamentals, and you still believe in their future, then buy the dips. Feel free to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. Also, feel free to like this video so my videos go out to a large audience so more people can learn about investing in finance. That's it from me. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. See you guys in the next one. Happy investing.